Hello, wonderful people. I remain Joe Vika. Please, I still want to encourage you and to do us a favor. Keep following us on this social media platform. Wherever you find our video, don't fail to hit the like, comment, and follow us or subscribe to our different channels of social media. Recently, I made a post about Governor Hope Uzodinma saying he was to bomb in some certain area in Imo State. Uh, Frankly speaking, I just want to put up a disclaimer. I never knew that the video was an old video. God is my witness. And that's why some of you guys have been asking me where is the video. I pulled it down from Facebook, but I didn't pull it down in YouTube. I know why I left it in YouTube for a purpose. But I want to make this video a kind of disclaimer to ascertain and let the world know the video was old video he did about 2 or 3 years ago when the insurgents was so seriously rampaging. Some people say that he was simply addressing this insurgent, the hoodlums to relocate, to leave that place. Well, if he was addressing them to leave that place, and you say you want to bomb them and you want them to leave, can we reconcile that particular statement? I'm not addressing the governor. I'm addressing those people who were, one young man came there. I don't know what he asked out of Facebook. I don't want to mention him. Let me not make him popular. He was insulting me that I'm destroying Igbo land, talking all manner of rubbish. How I'm destroying Igbo land, that this is happening to me. But meanwhile, some other person has also contacted me and said this video is about 2 or 3 years. Okay, oh well, I was about coming to delete it or drop a comment, tell the people that this is not a new video. But when I saw that guy's unnecessary insult, telling me how I'm destroying Igbo land by my information, that you're old man, this and that, I just ignored him. But on my own, I decided that I've already made up my mind to delete the videos. I deleted it from Facebook. So I want to make this a kind of like a rejoinder or disclaimer that the video is about 3 years ago when he said it. But no matter whatever he said it, if I happen to know at that time he said it, I'll still ask him those questions I asked in that video. That's why I left that video on YouTube. So those questions will be relevant. Had it been you, he thought of bombing a particular place. If you want to attack the hoodlum, you don't need to make a broadcast. So because he was not telling the hoodlums to run away, if you are telling the hoodlums to run away, that's what, so that they don't come and bomb them. Then are you truly fighting the insurgents? They should run away to another place. About where they will not come again to still attack the citizens. So he was simply addressing the people the school should relocate. And if he addresses the school, he should be the one to help them to relocate. Then if he says he's addressing the hoodlums, then it doesn't make any sense for you to come public and tell my enemy, I want to come and kill you. Run. Or if they run, you not go and bomb an innocent people or empty land. So some of you who defend something, think before you talk. So my wonderful followers, good followers, not that particular human being. I don't want to make him popular, but next video, I even told him that I'm going to make him popular. He even made a video on Facebook telling me that I'm destroying Igbo land. God will judge him if I am destroying Igbo land. And if I'm not destroying Igbo land, God will judge him. So wonderful guys. So that video is an old one, made 3 years ago. But the question remains, has bombing been a helping something to best way to fight these insurgents? If yes, why are the Northerners not fighting with bomb? Why is it only in Imo State? Although, to be precise, bomb has one thing. There was then we had a bomb born over there. So the person who's telling me, why are you destroying Boran? Is it me that threw that bomb at that time in Allah? Is it me that threw the bomb? Is it me that burned a coat market? And burning both the innocent and those who are not innocent? Destroy their properties. Is it me that destroy it? I'm destroying Boran. That young man that is constantly attacking me for telling him the truth. Anyway, let me leave you for now. So let me leave the matter for now. Thank you and God bless you. Please share this video. Share the video. Help me share it. That video is old one. Please. Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you you no get information, you are already deformed. Why not go to your YouTube? Jovika TV. You want them for Facebook? Jovika TV. Instagram and Twitter? Jovika TV. Abi, you want them for TikTok? Jovika TV. Abi, now WhatsApp you want them? Jovika TV. Jovika TV, poised to reach you with the truth.
As a peacemaker, I dey believe on what wicked talk. Any person wey partner with wicked rig election, he say they no go back. Now listen to me, wicked say he ready for the fire for fire this time. Hello? Make I no worry, make I believe what you talk. And I know say we dey fight things so, but this time, now our election no. The one wey pass na experiment. They don't teach us what they do. What they know how to do, they won't do them again. INEC officials have just a talk. What the governor talk now they tell you now. If you like, come again. Go take your plenty money. Then come say your beavers need they work. I don't go there everywhere. I don't go there every unit. I don't go there everywhere, but you go confirm. Confirmation. Agregambata. INEC officials, this message not now. We want good government for River State. Namek will come out. Make no rig the election for me, no rig for any person. Do the right thing. The beavers must transmit the results. Any person wey say be SPO, PO or whatever, get the right password. We even hear say they go just do as if they don't send them. We even hear say they go just do as if they don't send them after you go revise. But no problem. PO, I mean SPO. Now 20,000 or 50,000, how you go use call risk that in? This time correct the message. We must get it right this time. Now my assurance to you people is this: don't be discouraged. Come out even more than you came out for B2B. And what? Support and vote. Make sure you vote and stand for your vote to be counted. Don't be worried. There is nothing God cannot do. And they tell everybody, say every day for the thief, one day for the owner of house. Are it true? Wicked they destroy, wicked they do this, wicked they come, all these things. Now we give her the mind that time.